Today I am going to show you how to create videos like this in Canva. So first of all, go on Canva and go on videos section, select the video, blank, wait a second. After that, first of all you have to select your background. So you can take your background by searching here, background, go on the videos section, videos. In this session you have too much backgrounds, so you can choose any one. Okay, wait. Like if we choose this one, set image as background, set video as background, sorry. After that, you have to just find any emojis, and you can find emojis by go on apps and search here emoji. Okay, so there is an emoji app, so you can just click on it. Like I want to make a video guess the flag by emojis. So okay, so I am making on Oman country. So first of all search here O, and you can take the first emoji. So here you can find like different emojis. So set this like this and click on the background. First of all, go on transparency and lower the transparency. After that, go on the background color and change it. I select which one suits. Okay, so I like this one. So add your first emoji. After that, go on elements and search here plus, and you can take any sign. So I am taking this. Okay, so after that, again go on emojis and search here man, enter, and you can take one man from here. I am choosing this one. This, make the plus visible by changing the color to white. Now it's looking good. And also add some texture, like add the outline and go on edit image. After that, click on shadows, click on outline, increase the size by yourself, change the color to white. Same with, but you can also click on the O, copy this type and paste this type. And now you can see that it's ready to guess like oh man. And let's add some designing. Let's do some designing of this. After that, go on the text and write here guess the country. Wait a second, make it short. Add this here, change the writing color, take any writing, like I am taking this one, but not this one. I am taking Anton. Do capital letters. After that, change the text color to white and go here again and write here 1. So if you are on the first quiz, so you can add the 1, and if you are on second quiz, so you can add 2. This also you can change color by clicking here. You can change it by yourself and add the outline of the text by go on effects and select outline, change the color to black. Wait a second. Now it's good. And now you have to add a timer here. So don't worry, we can take a timer from Canva. So if we have like 30 seconds, so search here 30-second timer. After that, go on videos section. You can take this one. So you can see that the background is not removed, and if we remove the background like from Canva, so Canva doesn't give us an amazing result. So paste it here. I want to add the timer here, and after that you can click here border style, and you can add corner writing. So this will be converted into like size. This will be converted like now you can see that this is looking design, not like we have taken and we just do like this. And now if you play, so now just one thing left, the music and the animation. Okay, so for doing animation, you have to click on your first emoji, go on animate and select wiggle, and don't take it too long. You have to do this like decrease it, and same with the man, and same with the plus element. After that, okay, so we just have to animate these emojis, and now let's add the final touches of sound. Okay, so first of all we have to like this is coming sound we need. So you can search here coming coming sound coming sound, and after that you can go on audio section. Here you can find everything easily. Okay. Okay, so Canva is giving us music but not effects, and we need effects. So you can go on another website like Silicon Plus and search here next sound effect. And here is the website Pixabay. You can take any sounds from here on Pixabay. Here you can see that here are too much sound effect. Let me open this and check. Next level. Okay, so this is not what we need. So this is too long for me.
I will come next week.
No, this is not. Okay, so now you can see that this is giving us a texture like we are doing some new pages. So just to click on download, and this will download in your downloading section. And now you have to grab it to your upload section, and you also can click on upload section and add your audio file, and just click on this and add this to your video. And now you can open it. Okay, so you know that this is too much amazing. And after that, go on Pixabay, search here and log sorry log taking. Check it. Okay, so I like this one, so download it. So I have downloaded. After that, grab it to your upload section and wait, grab it to your upload section, and the Important thing is that you will not like receive copyright from your YouTube videos if you use the Pixar, if you use the these musics from Pixabay. There is not copyright issue. Now you can see that it's looking too much amazing. If you want long, so you can duplicate it like I have done. Okay, now you can see. Wait. Okay, so it's too much long. So if you want to make it short, so you can go on elements and search here 10-second timer line. Just you can search here timer and take this one from here. Make it rounding, make the corners rounding. Decrease the size. Add this to here, and now you can see. Okay, so the timer is set, and now we have to like write an answer. So just to duplicate this page and delete these emojis from here and delete this all. After that you have to search here your country flag, Oman flag, go on photos section, add the flag, and after that go on animation down and select wiggle, do intensity decrease, decrease the size, and duplicate your text. Write here your country name, Oman, and go on Pixabay. Write search here about the correct song. Enter. You can see that this is just giving us texture of right. So just download it and add this to your upload section. After that, take it to your home page, and you have to delete half like ticking line because we don't need ticking here, and just grab it. Okay, so if you like this tutorial, so subscribe to learn more.